say Madam President, Madam
I
President.
love. How often does this happen these days? Too rarely. Welcome to Bessastaði. I'm so pleased to meet you. I almost feel like I already know you. Just from seeing you.
And I wanted to see you, and I grabbed the first opportunity to come.
Some of the poetry that Madam is important. First democratically elected. Yeah.
Only the signatures.
Yeah. Well, you're welcome to write if you'd like.
Think about it. Again, my husband is a master of stories.
He would have come with you, but I think my husband would. I didn't know that. So I just found out this morning. So. 20 years? Exactly.
And then Germany stepped in with Genscher, who was working a lot with the Slovenian foreign ministry, and then it opened.
Well, I love your country. Let's give them one smile and then we'll give them time off. No, it's okay. Welcome to the really good to have you there. 13 in Þingvellir. We do a painting of that here, which is 40 kilometers out of Reykjavík. We will be celebrating 1100 years of the Parliament of
We're
Iceland
celebrating
2013.
35 years of our independence.
It's actually yes. They are forced to talk to each other. And I really like this tradition.
Yeah.
And I was told by she was in 1922. Her name was Ingibjörg. In the world, so to me there are no coincidences because the date was certainly not something we organized with a long advance, but I'm so happy. Are you first to say hello to this lady? Yes. How are you?
Yeah, welcome. Nice to see you again.
I didn't know you met before.
Oh, we did once.
New York.
Okay, so let's do a photo.
Let's do one of your.
Islandija je država, s katero si delimo mnogo vrednot. Vsi smo veliki podporniki multilateralizma, verjamemo v to, da je treba omejiti pravico do veta v varnostnem svetu. In Islandija je država, ki jo trenutno vodijo 3 ženske. Predsednica parlamenta, predsednica vlade in predsednica države. Z vsemi 3 sem imela res prijetne pogovore. Največ časa pa smo namenili pogovorom o Evropski uniji. Islandija bo namreč avgusta imela referendum o vstopu v Evropsko unijo.